Hello, bienvenidos a Español. Welcome to Spanish. I am Jolene Murillo and I am your daughter or son's Spanish teacher. Agenda, Introduction, Syllabus First Assignment, Learning Platform Google Classroom, Classroom Expectations and Procedures, Contact Information. The semester's first assignment was the syllabus. I sent the syllabus home a few weeks ago, and it is an assignment, was an assignment worth 20 points. If you haven't already, please read, sign, date, and return the syllabus if you have not already with your daughter or son. I will take it no matter how late it is by Friday, September 18th. Please refer to the late work policy for missed work. Google Classroom. The learning platform that I use is Google Classroom, while other teachers use Canvas. Canvas I use for giving instructions to new students, for example, on how to locate me in Google Classroom, and also if I need to send out an email to students or family. But this year it will be Google Classroom, where I provide as much information as possible. If you would like to view your daughter or son's virtual class to be kept abreast with all communication, assignments, due dates, attendance, and more, please let me know and I will send you an invite. If you could please send me an email requesting the invite, I'll be more than happy to send you the invite with further instructions. Classroom rules and procedures. Please refer to the class syllabus. For students, it is located in Google Classroom under the tab Classwork under the tab Resources. Synchronous and asynchronous classes versus check-ins in Infinite Campus. Students are responsible school-wide to check in into Infinite Campus Monday through Friday. Aside from that responsibility in my class, for our live classes, synchronous classes, students need to attend the class and fill out a daily attendance form. I provide an attendance code which they will use to fill out the form. If a student does not complete the form or is late or leaves the class without being dismissed or without communicating with me that they need to leave, they risk being marked absent. For asynchronous classes, attendance is taken by students completing an async attendance task. They are given a task that reviews any content prior to the day, and either in a question form or a conversation dialogue template, for example, which was Fridays, and they complete that task, and I receive a report, and I see who attended the asynchronous class by doing the attendance task. Participation, method of grading. In my classroom, attendance is crucial. Students are given many opportunities to accrue participation points. If a student cannot attend a class, they are missing out on those opportunities. Participation points are accrued by not only volunteering, but working in groups or with a partner. So many opportunities to accrue points. So attendance is crucial and participation as well. Gracias. Thank you. Thank you for attending our back to school night. My contact information is joleni.murillo@puhsd.org. Have a nice evening. Take care and be safe.